Welcome to SuiteTrails. In this video, we are going to explore 7 dazzling Prague tours and activities that will make your trip truly unforgettable. Get ready to discover the best experiences the city has to offer. Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description. Number 1. Welcome back to medieval times. This fun and unique experience brings the past to life in the atmosphere of a medieval tavern. No detail has been left out, and there's plenty to enjoy during the medieval show that accompanies the evening. See swordsmen, jugglers, and belly dancers, all performing to music. While enjoying the show, feast on a delicious 3 or 5 course meal from your choice of 6 different menus. The 3-course meal occurs at an earlier time. Drink your fill from the unlimited beer, wine, and soft drinks available. This is a truly different and entertaining way to spend an evening in Prague, and one that is guaranteed to take you back in time and satisfy your palate. Number 2. Enjoy breathtaking views from the Vltava River and discover the beauty of one of the most famous cities in the world during this evening cruise with an audio guide. See majestic sights such as Charles Bridge and the Dancing House. Hop aboard a comfortable and spacious boat and begin your river cruise. Capture pictures as you sail past sites like the Petrin Tower and the historic fort of Vyšehrad. Admire the neo-Renaissance concert hall of the Rudolfinum and the biggest castle complex in the world, Prague Castle. Relax on an air-conditioned boat with a roof over the sundeck. Learn about the main sites with audio commentary that is available in 8 different languages, or use the printed guide onboard available in 16 languages. Number 3. Pre-book your tickets to Prague Castle and avoid wasting time in the ticket line. Get a short, 15 to 20 minute, introductory overview of the castle complex before exploring it at your own pace. Meet our representative for an introduction to Prague Castle. After that, our representative will exchange your voucher for your ticket, which covers the best there is to see at Prague Castle. Skip the ticket line and begin your visit right in front of the St. Vitus Cathedral, where you'll get guidelines and a map of the best way to explore the sprawling grounds at your own pace. Admire the architecture and stories of St. Vitus Cathedral, Old Royal Palace, St. George's Basilica, Golden Lane, and Daliborka Tower. Learn about the castle's purpose as a home of the kings of Bohemia, Holy Roman Emperors, and presidents of Czechoslovakia and the Czech Republic, dating way back to the 9th century. Your ticket is valid for 2 days and allows you 1 entry to each building in the castle interiors during this whole period. Please note that in order for the online audio guide to work properly, you must have an internet connection. Number 4. The Old Town Hall is located on the Old Town Square and was established in 1338 as the seat of the Old Town administration. The complex consists of 5 buildings. The dominant part of the building is a Gothic tower with a chapel and a unique astronomical clock, where every hour between 9 a.m. and 11 p.m., the 12 apostles rotate. Start your tour on the 1st floor, where the staterooms are located. Continue to the Gothic chapel of the Virgin Mary and the ceremonial halls. Afterwards, use the staircase leading to the 3rd floor to the viewing gallery of the 70-meter-tall tower and enjoy the most amazing views of Prague. A guided visit to the Old Town Hall Medieval Underground is included in your entrance ticket, so make sure not to miss out. Number 5. Welcome back to medieval times. This fun and unique experience brings the past to life in the atmosphere of a medieval tavern. No detail has been left out, and there's plenty to enjoy during the medieval show that accompanies the evening. See swordsmen, jugglers, and belly dancers, all performing to music. While enjoying the show, feast on a delicious 3 or 5 course meal from your choice of 6 different menus. The 3-course meal occurs at an earlier time. Drink your fill from the unlimited beer, wine, and soft drinks available. This is a truly different and entertaining way to spend an evening in Prague, and one that is guaranteed to take you back in time and satisfy your palate. Number 6. Relax in a bubbling tub of Bernard's acclaimed beer. Indulge in this Czech specialty that will leave your skin soft, while refreshing your mind and quenching your thirst. Enjoy unlimited beer from the tap, relax on a heated bed and soak in a private tub, with the option to book a massage. Upon arrival, be taken through the facility by the spa staff. Soak in a private beer bath for 2 while drinking unlimited Bernard beer. Then, unwind on a heated bed while, of course, enjoying more beer. In private rooms, gear up for a unique experience with friends, your loved one, or in a tub all to yourself. Beer baths are a medical procedure from the Middle Ages, known to cleanse the pores, increase pulmonary circulation, regenerate skin and hair, and revitalize the nervous system. It is necessary to maintain the correct temperature, length, and ratio of ingredients to ensure maximum health benefits. The bathing experience takes place in special tubs and is regulated by professional staff. The experience lasts about an hour. Opting for the beer massage of 20 minutes adds an extra time. At the end of your rejuvenating visit, you will receive a bottle of Bernard beer with a historical seal and a certificate of completion. Number 7. Welcome to IcePub Prague, where everything you lay your eyes on or touch is an icy marvel. From the walls, bar, and tables to the exquisite sculptures meticulously carved within. Embrace an atmosphere where the temperature remains a chilly -7 degrees Celsius throughout the year. Upon arrival, you'll be outfitted with a cozy thermal jacket and gloves, ensuring your comfort as you explore this frosty wonderland. Your visit promises a captivating 20-minute journey, during which you'll have the opportunity to revel in the ambiance while savoring a complimentary drink included in the admission price. This isn't just a visit. It's an invitation to immerse yourself in an experience that is truly one of a kind and unforgettable. So, be bold, be cool, and seize the chance to make memories in a setting that defies the ordinary. Don't let this exceptional experience slip away. Join us at IcePub Prague for an adventure that promises to be both chilling and exhilarating. Select the night option and discover the ultimate nightlife experience at Karlovy Vary, Prague's premier nightclub destination. Step into a world where 5 floors of excitement await, each pulsating with its own unique vibe and beats. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.